Hi, welcome back to Fruity Friday. We're going to be making a frozen peach, pineapple, and strawberry Bellini today. For this drink, you will need a half pound of frozen strawberries, 4 fresh peaches, a cup of fresh pineapple cut into chunks, 5 cups of Sprite, 1 can of frozen pineapple juice concentrate, some ice if you're not using frozen strawberries, and you might want honey or sugar. The first thing I'm gonna put in my blender are fresh peaches. I sliced up and peeled 4 of them. Next, I'm gonna add 5 cups of Sprite. Ideally, I would next be adding in frozen pineapple juice concentrate, and I'll be adding an entire can of it, but unfortunately I could not find any at the grocery store, so I'm going to be using some frozen lemon juice concentrate. I'm only adding in just a little bit of this lemon juice concentrate because I don't want the lemon flavor to be too overpowering in combination with the Sprite. If you also have trouble finding pineapple juice concentrate, you could also get frozen apple juice concentrate or strawberry concentrate since we're already using strawberries. Now I'm just gonna blend that together. Now I'm adding frozen strawberries and some fresh pineapple chunks. After blending that, I'm just gonna add a little bit of crushed ice, blend that together, and then I'll be able to pour it out. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
Cheers.